Hey guys, welcome back to Programming Made Easy. So in today we would be understanding about your groups in Salesforce, and I would be trying to resolve your doubt against your chatter groups and what are your collaboration and things of that sort. Okay, so we would be going into the community perspective side and we would be deep diving into all those concepts. So let's get started. So basically, what is a group? So group is a collection of users, roles and internal subordinates, territories or groups that you can use to simplify sharing settings and collaboration within your organization. Okay, so basically the whole means of group is to have access to records so that large number of people could be able to view those records. Okay, so basically you create groups based on your various criteria such as a particular department or job function, location or a particular project team, like things they want to discuss with each other. So for that you create a group for them. Okay, and group can also be used to grant access to records, some files, custom objects, as well as to share and collaborate data with your users in the organization. Okay, so basically this all means a group. Now basically there are two types of groups. Mainly we would be focusing here on your public groups. So in Salesforce, public group is a way to grant access to specific set of users for certain records or data. So basically what it means is, like, we want to grant a specific set of users a particular records. Okay, so we would be creating a public group for them, and the public group are also used to simplify access management and collaboration. Okay, and basically public group consists of your same users, roles and subordinates or other groups. Okay, like we could have group inside a group, so we that things are also possible. And when a user is added to a public group, they are automatically granted permissions assigned to that group. Okay, and the public group can also be used in variety of scenarios such as sharing access to specific records, folders. Okay, and there are also commonly used to simplify access management, and especially when we are working in larger teams or complex organizational structures, so we make a kind of a group so that a particular set of users have particular set of access. So this was your public group, and now comes our collaboration group. But before that I would like to highlight about the private groups. These groups user can contain or create at their personal levels, in which they could share files or things with the team members that they have created, so that is also option with them. Now coming over to collaboration groups, you have heard about chatter groups or collaboration groups. So what is the difference between them, and are the two things same or not? So we would be highlighting over these things. So in Salesforce, collaboration group is a way for users to communicate with each other with the context of a particular project, team or topic. Collaboration group allows user to share information, discuss ideas and work together on common goals. These groups can be public, private or unlisted, and can be created for specific purposes such as sales project, customer service or marketing campaigns. Okay, so now we heard about group, and now this is a collaboration group. So uh, these two things look same, right? But are they same? Let us see further. In collaboration group, users can share files, post updates, ask questions and provide feedback. They can also create subgroups for more focused discussion and assign tasks to other members of the group. So once let us iterate again over these. In collaboration group, users can post, ask questions and provide feedback. They also can create subgroups for more information or discussion. Collaboration groups can be accessed through the chatter feature in Salesforce, which allows users to follow and participate in group conversations from their desktop or mobile. This features helps the teams to stay connected and informed, leading to increased productivity. Okay, so I think let's continue to the demo part so that it would be more easy for you all to understand between the differences between the two. So like I am in my org, and if you could see in here, when I click on this more icon, I can see groups. Okay, and I have created this test group. Okay, and uh, this test group contains, like, see, post, poll, question, and we could have members. Since this group I have created is public, so we could have files, we could have records. So for your simplicity, what shall I do is I will create a new demo group, and access type I would be adding this as private, and save and next. So this is my demo group. So and the people whom I would be adding in here as members would only be able to chatter, collaborate, and chatter. So basically this group I have created is what is, according to you, what should be this group. Either this should be your group or this should be a collaboration group. So yes, you could comment down below till then. So basically guys, this is a collaboration group, and why it is so, see in here, collaboration group has a feature of post, poll, and question, and from where this can be accessed is this can be accessed from your chatter feature. So this was your this was the recent groups, and in here I can add or create a new group as well, and if I refresh, then my demo group also would be populated in here. So see, every time I do anything in any of these groups, everyone in the group gets notified. But the question remains here is, like, from where to create those public groups then. Okay, so let us clear that confusion as well. So when we click on groups, so we could see, like, see, this is your public group. So this was different from our chatter group. See why? Because inside of chatter there are groups. So these were your chatter groups. So this test group that is created, or the demo group that we have created, is a part of your chatter group, and that chatter group is also referred to as collaboration group. Why I am saying collaboration again and again, I'll explain you that as well. Okay, so see, this is public group test. Okay, and if I click over this, so, and edit this, so as I said that we have a possibility to add roles and internal subordinates, roles and partner subordinates, users. So yes, this is our public group. Okay, now one thing more, now what is the meaning, or how we could make use of Salesforce, how Salesforce make use of public groups. So like for example, we have to share a record. So I am going to my opportunity. You could pick any opportunity, account, or contact. So see, in here there is option of sharing. So in here there are options: search, users, public groups. So we have created a public group, and the name of that group is test, public group test. See this one, and just this only, and opportunity access, read only, read write. So we could have saved, and now what we could see here is, if we assign or if we share data with your groups, the owner or the associated opportunity owner or the record owner does not change. Okay, like you would have heard about queues. So what is a queue? That is also a special type of group only. So I don't want you to make this video more complex. So we would be covering the part of your queues in some other video. but for now you understand, I hope you understood about what are your public groups and what is your collaboration or chatter groups. Okay, chatter group is just for chit chat, and one thing more, like we could create records in here. See, new opportunity, new case, and we could search the contacts, status, test case, and save. In here also the record owner doesn't change. Okay, and we could upload files from here, and if we click on this record, so the associated owner would be this, and the contact name that we have linked, and the associated data from that. So that is in here. Now I would be demonstrating you some community, how to create groups in community. So we are having our builder, and from here I would be going to the group list page. That is the standard page in your customer service template. So if you preview, so for the instance I have created a community group. I would be creating another community demo group. Okay, I'm choosing the access type to be public. Save and next. So see, I have created this community demo group. So this post, poll and question is same as we have heard in our chatter, and members, files and records. So basically this is also chatter group only. Now since we have to like, is there something from which we could query that which group are my internal groups and which are my external groups, like which groups are created in community? Is there a way to query them? So let us see. I would be seeing select id name from, and there is a thing called collaboration group. Okay, let me increase the font size, zoom in. See, select id name from collaboration group. So see, demo group that we created, test group was already there, community demo group that we created just now, and the community group was already in here. See, okay, so these were my collaboration groups. But one thing to remember here is that this public group test is not appearing in this. So is this a collaboration group? The answer is no, this is a simple group. So if we query on this, we could see, yeah, see, public group test. So this was our simple group that we created. Okay, but never mind, we would be focusing more on your collaboration groups. So now from here, can you identify like which group is created internally for your Salesforce users and which group is externally available for your Experience Cloud site users? So is there some differentiation like we could have in this? And the answer to your question is yes. There is a field called network ID. Network ID that would tell you that these groups are created in this network ID. And basically, what is your network ID? So network ID is the ID of your community. Okay, network, basically you could understand a community as a network of people, and so that's why from here you could have a network ID. You could also get network name, I guess. Network.name. So see, network.name is the associated network name that we created, programming made easy. This is the name of your all sites community that you have created. So from here you could also simplify, because in the real time scenario what would happen is there might be multiple communities that would be running for partner community or customer community, and you have to verify which groups belong to which community, which are internal. So the main highlight of this is your network ID. From here you would be able to pick or identify which to which particular community your particular group belongs to. Okay, and moving further in the coming videos we would be working more on this. So let me create a demo, something. Okay, what is chatter group? So I have written something dummy, and so see, our data is created. See, so basically whatever we enter are in our post, poll and question, this is referred to as a feed item. Okay, and if I write my answer in here, so this is referred to as feed comments. So in your trailhead also, when you have seen this feature of select as best answer, or in any of the other communities like Stack Overflow, your developer forums, you would have seen this, like this is marked as best answer. So how it is done, what is the basis of this, we would be understanding more in the further coming videos. And one thing more, basically, see, what is this add topic and things of that sort, we would be going deep into all these concepts. Till then, do tell me how did you understood the importance of your groups, public groups, chatter groups, what is the difference. I hope this video might be able to make help you differentiate between types of groups. Okay, so that is it, and we would be meeting in the next video. If you are having any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I would be happy to help you and solve your doubts. Thank you.